Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Umentri badai kami gatanat po yeng gejala ba lakman Rymbui Hnlc ba ikran halor Jingïakren Ïasuk ba ke Hnlc loong ba Jingïakren Ïaid khamat lakatu kat Nepal loong ru ba sarkar ka bu ikathong ba kamdan kado Jing'e ka bamla ban pendap la da Ïasuk pen Peit ha kami ula benrap da ka boong ba ke Hnlc kala menjur ban Jingïakren Ïasuk ba kila pha yo ba sadon bla ku muksiang jungki kat ba na kaliang ka sarkar kala thung yo ba PS dakhar ban long ku muksiang wa Rymbui loong ru ba sarkar kan Peit ba Jingïakren Ïasuk apreng sarkar ba seng Hnlc kaniach khamat da Jingshaniah ban wanra e shong suk shong sain ha gejala.
This is the process which going on for quite some time because the government of Meghalaya have the determination that no issue could not be resolved if we put talk on the table. So this process has started. As you know, that the Hnlc have agreed to talk with the government unconditionally, and they have nominated Sadon Bla as the representative, and we from the government have nominated PS Khar, retired IAS, as our representative, and so that the talk could happen and reach its logical conclusion. So we from the state of Meghalaya, it's not the question of safe passage or anything. We will do everything to see that the talk could happen in a conducive atmosphere. Talk could happen in an atmosphere where mutual trust, confidence is there, so that peace in the state of Meghalaya could be able to achieve. Set the timeline, but as I said, the convergence of mind is needed to solve any issue, I hope, as early as possible.
The top leadership of the Hnlc already here?
I don't want to reply on that, whether they are here or they are there or they are anywhere. I can reply on that. My issue is that the talk should start, and it should reach its logical conclusion.